If you feel like you need more clarity or maybe a clearer sense of direction, meditate with Blue Scheelite. Meditating with this stone has been said to help heal the throat and crown chakras, and in turn can help you better in communication. It is thought that you are more likely to communicate your feelings well if you wear a piece of Blue Scheelite around your neck. It is quite rare stone, however, to come across. So to find a piece of Blue Scheelite jewelry would be a huge treat and kind of rare. So in case you want to still do this, you can carry a tumbled stone with you in your purse, pocket, or even in your bra. Keep Blue Scheelite in your home to spark inspiration. It is thought to promote creativity and can be great for people who need to push in the right direction. Blue Scheelite is said to be a good stone for influencing in decision making and clear thinking. So keep this in your office and it can be very beneficial through your decision making. All right, to cleanse, we do not recommend letting your piece of Blue Scheelite get wet. However, you can absolutely use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, moon cleansing, sound cleansing, or even burying it in the soil. And to always remember to follow us and visit our website at newmoonbeginnings.com for more information on different crystals, stones, and minerals.